back at it with another small project here. About to install my ICT Billet water pump adapter. Here's the directions here. Shows you everything you need to know in regards to installing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I believe you got to take off the stock tensioner, but I'll refer to the directions. It looks like it's not there anyway. So, but yeah, it comes with everything you need here, all the hardware and everything. This is a turnbuckle style, so it gets its tension from the turnbuckle right there. I could have got a separate tensioner that actually mounted, I think, somewhere down here, but I decided to opt to go for this one just for a little bit more cleaner look, and that way if I ever needed to tighten this here, I could have easy access to it here versus down there below. So anyways, let me go ahead and get to doing this, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like with it installed. Again, this is for the stock truck style alternator. It won't fit a bigger one. I already tried. I already have it actually. And I'm gonna actually took this one off my Caprice, this alternator here, and I'm gonna use the bigger alternator for my Caprice and use the regular that I took off my Caprice for this one. So anyways, let me get to it, y'all. Y'all, so I think I got everything installed correctly. Everything is just kind of loosely installed. I didn't tighten anything down quite yet, but looks pretty good in there, y'all. I mean, if you look at it from a distance, get this out the way. I like it. I like this look. So again, this is a turnbuckle style. So you basically kind of like Heim joints here. So it's basically what it is. You just keep turning these little Heim joints here, then tightening the nut, and then get it to your liking. And yeah, everything went in pretty smooth. Again, I just kind of just snugged everything down for now, and then I'll kind of retighten everything a little later on. I really don't like where this is, and I don't know why that post is like there like that. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use that or take that out. It's kind of weird that it hits right here. So I'm gonna have to look into that even more. I don't really care for it being right there like that. So I'll deal with that later. But all in all, you know, I'm happy with it. Looks pretty good. So anyways, again, this is ICT Billet relocation bracket here, set up for alternator and water pump. That's the part number right there. Again, I'm using it. It has it has options for truck style water pump and the LS1 style water pump. So, and I'm using the LS1 style water pump, and I'm liking this look. I'm liking this look. So this is kind of a relocation bracket, so you can use truck accessories and relocate them using either a truck style water pump or LS1 style water pump. So anyways, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. So tomorrow, I'm gonna call it a night right now. Tomorrow I'll kind of torque everything down and make sure everything's good to go. So anyways, y'all, you guys know what to do. Get in the comment section, y'all. Let me know what you think about this look right here. And, you know, do all the good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, y'all. And then we'll holler at you later. All right, deuces out.